All right, I fired up this big boy Gator Pit pellet grill at 11:16, and at 11:27 it was 280 plus degrees. You still see it there. It says 286. I kicked it down to 270 temps. I'm gonna let it calm back down. That's 280 right there. I don't know if it shows up. Sometimes the LEDs don't show up right on the video, but that says 280. That says 285. I bumped it down to the mid selection or button, which is going to be 270, and you can see you got a hint of smoke coming out. Hopefully it picks up the video. Let me get some dark background. There you go. Got a hint of smoke coming out. Turn this way. There you go. You don't see any smoke coming out my doors. No smoke, guys, no smoke. I didn't season this. There's no cooking oil in there, so I don't have anything sealing the doors other than the door seals themselves, which are our standard flanging that we do on all of our Gator pits. I'm cooking with the Traeger blend pellets today, as you can see here. This is what I recommend size wise, not the B&B, because the B&Bs are too big and can jam up your auger, at least on these augers. There you go, guys. It went from a cold pit to 280 plus degrees in about 10 minutes. This is a big pit to do that. Check out this badass Gator pit about to roll out, man. It's gonna be heading to Iowa. Got the golf cart kit assembly put on. This is a dual hopper pellet. This is our big boy pellet grill on our website at gatorpit.net with our golf cart assembly kit on it. Guys, you gotta admit, this is badass. That's a 14-inch stainless steel drop table. We're installing that now. That white film is exactly just that. It's a protective film over the stainless. It is a 304 brush stainless. It's got the dual hoppers. Got these badass golf cart wheels. That's what I'm talking about. Show the hopper here. It's got 3 gauges on the doors. We're going to polish the stainless steel handles. The dual birdhouse stacks. Door counterweight. This is a 24 diameter by 60. Long chamber, single door, wide cut, counterweighted with upper lower sliding meat racks in there. Heavy duty 2-inch angle frame lower storage, and we have a 2-inch ball valve drain that's going in there as well. Here's our steering. It's got a T-handle that's going to go on there. It's obviously removable. And then I have our 35-pound Color Pro hoppers with PID controllers. PID, top of the line, man. That's what you want. You want a PID controller, but it's not a PID. Don't get it. Very nice. We have our pellet dumps. So when you're through cooking, you haven't used all your pellets in your hopper, you pull your chute door and all your pellets will dump back into your bag. Another great feature on these Gator pits. Your hubs on these are actually 2,000-pound trailer wheel hubs with sealed grease bearings in there. Our steering mechanism is the same 2,000-pound grease bearing hub as well. These things turn extremely easy, and we'll do another video to show you that. You will never be replacing the axles or the wheels. We make the axles ourselves. We make them here in-house. We make these axles, guys. I don't buy them. We make these things. They have 2,000-pound spindles in there as well. Badass, guys. Badass. Gator Pit. Yep. You just talk because I can get it off. Bailey, what are you doing?
Come here.
Right, here's a bottle watch. Ready? Yeah, it's a little clean, ain't it? Just a little clean. Usually I have meat gloves, but today I don't have a meat glove for some reason. That's okay, this thing's so tender, we're just gonna pull it with some tongs. I don't like to mince it up anyway. Where's the money muscle?
Bailey, come here. Come here. Close the door. Close the door.
Yeah, I'll pick the fat out. Whatever fat's left from what I've trimmed, we're gonna pull that out. Which is what you just saw me throw.